Hello students, welcome to our page. Today we are going to start the next question from the exercise 8.2. We are considering the exercise 8.2, among which the first three questions we had considered in the previous videos. Now here in this video we are going to consider the next question number 4, again which is very easy, regarding the profit and loss. Now the question is like this: the cost of an article was Rs 15,500. It is Rs 15,500. One article is there, and Rs 450 were spent on its repairs. That means whomever that person is, he is buying that article at 15,500, and afterwards he is repairing that article at the cost of 450. So that means it is also going to be included under the CP, because he is maintaining that article, and after repairing that article, he sold that article at a profit of 15%. So he is getting the profit of 15%, and here we have to find out the SP, that means selling price of that article. So here obviously the profit percentage is given, and from that we have to calculate the SP. Now how to calculate that SP, that we are going to see here. Now in the solution, first of all we have to consider the total cost of an article, that means CP, because he is spending the money in two methods, that means two ways he is spending that money. First one, he is buying that article, and second one, he is repairing that article. So that cost, whatever be the cost of that article and whatever be the overhead expenses that should be added, then we are going to get the total cost price, that means total CP of that article. So you can add these two values, 15,500 plus 450. So 500 plus 450, that is going to be 950, and this 15,000 will remain as it is. So the total CP is 15,950. Now with the help of CP, we can calculate the profit. Whatever be the profit is there, we are able to calculate it with the help of formula profit percent, which is equals to profit upon CP into 100. Or you can also take direct formula, profit is equals to profit percent into CP divided by 100. That formula also you can take. So any formula you can take, but here I am taking this formula, so just keep the values. The profit percent is 15%, so just keep that value. I had just kept that value. Then I have to calculate the profit, so that's why I kept it as it is. Then the total CP is Rs 15,950, and that into 100 is going to be as it is. Sorry. Now here the terms are to be shifted. So now here I am going to shift this 100 to the other side, and then 15,950 to the other side, and after shifting it, the operation is going to reversed, and I am going to get profit is equals to 15 as it is into 15,950 divided by 100. So that will be the multiplication. Now here 1 0 is going to cancel, then 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So whatever be the multiplication is there, you can able to perform this multiplication. 1595 into 3 divided by 2. So either you can divide 1595 by 2, or first you can take the multiplication. So whatever is the way you can do it. So I am going to divide it. So 2 1s are 2, then 2 7s are 14, remainder 1, so it will become 19. Then 2 9s are 18, again remainder 1, so it will become 15. Then 2 7s are 14, 1 is remainder, decimal point is there, and 2 5s are 10. So 797.5 797.5 into that 3. So you can take multiplication now, very easy it is. 3 5s are 15, so remainder 1, then 3 7s are 21. Now bring that decimal point as it is to the downside. So 3 7s are 21, 21 plus that remainder 2, 1, 22. So again 2 is remainder. Then 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29. So again 2 is remainder. Again 3 7s are 21. Again that plus 2, 23. So here 2392.5 is the profit. 2392.50 is the profit for selling that article at the profit percentage of 15%. So therefore we can calculate the SP. So SP is calculated by CP plus profit. CP plus profit. Now just put down the values. CP is 15,950 and profit is just we had calculated 2392.50 is the profit. So after adding that we are getting the total value, which is 18,342.50, which is the selling price of the given article. So in this way, with the help of profit percent and loss percent, we can solve the example. Here we had used the profit percent. So I hope you understand the video, understand the problem. So here for today's video, this is it. In the next video we are going to start the next question, the question number 5 from the same exercise 8.2. So if you are new to our page, then please like, subscribe and share our page, and also press the bell icon so you will get the updates in the future. So again, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.